To enable or disable screen flash notification in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap advanced settings, and then tap flash notification. To enable screen flash notification, tap screen flash switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. To preview, tap preview. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.